Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I never thought I'd be in a position like this where I'm stranded. I made that video a while ago about things you should have in your car. Well, it turns out I left my dome light on. So here's what happened. I walked to my car. I tried to unlock the door with the key using the smart key. It didn't work. I immediately walked back to work thinking I left my key inside because there's no way this thing always works. It's always my backpack, it works. Did the same thing. I was able to get inside, but now I'm here. Press start button from the clutch. I get nothing. And you can tell by the light, the weak dome light, the battery is dead. So what do? Well, fortunately I followed at least my own thing. And I do have a battery pack in the trunk. So I'm gonna grab that, but at least now I can demonstrate it, how it works. So look at that now. Open that. I'm gonna show you this. Like I said, guys, the car completely dead. Keys in the pocket. Literally nothing. To show you, put the key up here. Put it in the clutch. Or people think I should put a brake, but I know it's just clutch only. Nothing. Zip. So let's pop the hood. Alright, this is a little bit different. This is a smaller battery pack that I have. I figured with this car, if I ever need it, it's good enough for what I'm using it for. So what you'll do, you'll take your cable. So you have your cables and you have your battery pack. Alright, so this battery pack also serves as a flashlight if you need it. Also has 2 USB ports. So you have different ways of getting life. Say for example, even my phone died, I need to call for help. I have that option too. And there's my status lights. I have a few lights here for battery. And just so people don't think I'm playing games or anything like that. Clutch in. Even to put in accessory mode, nothing happens, right? So let's get that going. And this sort of beats me trying to get help, trying to ask somebody who has cables. And this is really easy. Black to the black. Now, all I'm gonna do is plug this into the battery pack and I'm ready to start. So I'm gonna try this one hand holding the camera, or you trying to hold it here like this. Show you. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Now the battery pack is I'm ready to start. The exact same thing. Notice I have something different. It's telling me what to do. Push the clutch in and start the engine. So here we go. Clutch in. That's it. So I need it. Everything's working. All I'll do is disconnect that. That's it. That's all I had to do. And this thing takes up very little small space in my trunk. It's very lightweight. bag in here, blanket, a couple extra running shoes, and then stick that right in there, just like that. All right, well, that was it. You can see with the key still sitting here. I didn't move anything, I didn't play any tricks. It just, these things work. And like I said, I've been trying to wait for someone to come out, or trying to text a friend to say, you might have a cable, and then let alone, where can they park? I mean, I'm wedged in between these two cars. How would they, I mean, they would have to take cables and hopefully they'll reach. Hopefully they have long enough cables. You know, it would just be a pain in the butt, which this was very simple. I had to call anybody. I got myself out of trouble, and now I can proceed home. So guys, quick short video. At least I was able to demonstrate that, show how it works. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.